Good morning, it's Ingolf here again for another episode of Isolation Chef. We're here at the beautiful Strand in Townsville on a winter's day, and today the theme is seafood. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to do some nice seafood cooking on a barbecue and just enjoy the benefits of seafood, the nutritional values, the omega-3s, and the wonderful flavours that come out of our oceans. So I've got a few examples. I'm going to put together a nice little seafood platter for you today and hope you enjoy it. So let's get cooking. Okay, just a quick note, this is not going in the bin, nor is it going to the seagulls that are around here. This is going into a stock pot. Make a beautiful fish stock, and you can make lovely fish soups, and just don't waste anything, and yeah, just be mindful. Thanks. Perfect timing. So what we've got here is a little presentation I've done for everybody that sees my videos, and what we've got is some salt and pepper calamari, garlic prawns, Thai style prawns with fish sauce, lime juice. Over here we have some crispy skinned salmon, a little bit of a craytail, and some local salmon that was caught by a friend of mine just recently. So please enjoy, and it's all about keeping together, socialising, smiling. I'm going to. So this is how simple it is to do something down on the beach in beautiful Townsville on the Strand and just have a nice little feed with your friends. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chef. Outstanding.